Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. Been working on my Dutch pour today and it's not been going so great, but hopefully this time will be our lucky successful attempt. We have a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas. I have some butterscotch, not butterscotch, I'm sorry, buttermilk. Down as the base coat. I got tired of white. I was working with white, got tired with that, so maybe a switch of color will change things. I sure hope so. The other colors I'll be using will be provided in the description. I will be playing you some music during the pouring portion, but I'll come back and talk to you at the end when we talk about the results. So enjoy. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop there. I don't know, I might need to blow this a little bit right here. That's kind of clumped up there, but this does look better than my previous, even though my colors did sink. Several of them did. When I poured them down, I was afraid it wasn't going to come out as good as it did. I'm not crazy about the way the tops came out. I think I'll get a straw or something and see if I can do something more with that top. I'm not loving that too much. Maybe a little more paint here will help. Okay, I think that's better. Better than it was. Much more wispy looking at the top. Might need to blow that at this side a little bit more. That one's kind of weird looking. Okay. I don't know about this here, if I should do something to this bottom where I've got, you know, there's so much of the background color here, but I don't want to try and blow it anymore or anything like that. So I'm going to stop there and I'll go ahead and get the camera down. It's definitely different than anything I've done in the past. And I'm kind of curious what it's going to look like when it dries, you know, with that's not a white background like, you know, you typically see. I do like how this copper is kind of giving it some definition down here, you know, since we have so much solid color there. If you didn't have that copper there, that would be very boring. We got a lot of lacing up at the top, and that's good. Definitely very different, very different. This one I'll have to see if it grows on me or not. If it doesn't, I'll end up pouring over it probably. But for now, I'm going to say it's a wrap, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you at the next paint party. Bye.